What's up, guys? I'm coming at you today with my weekly update to my keto video. This is my week 6 update. Looking forward to it. But you know what? That's enough. Let's get on with it. So yes, guys, another weekend, another good weekend, and real fast though, you might be able to hear it. It is raining here today, and you can see a little bit. There's the thunder right now, so sorry about that, but hey, I love this sound anyways. I love storms, but it's coming down pretty good. But anyways, as far as the weekly update here, you know, for the last couple of weeks, I did hit a little bit of a plateau and did not really lose much for 2 or 3 weeks. Well, this week did change. This is my number this week. Oh, right about there. Right there worked? Yeah, okay. So as you can see, I lost about 5 pounds this week, which is a great thing for how much I did not lose the last few weeks. Maybe makes me feel a little bit better and know I am still on track doing it. So I'm excited about that. I have not experienced any side effects this week or anything. We continue to move on good. My wife as well has had some success this week. She lost another 2.5 pounds, I believe. So she's keeping up with me here. She's gonna catch me. I keep telling her, but she says she won't. But we'll see. I'm still ahead a little bit, but I should be. I had a lot more to lose. We did try something new last night. We tried jalapeno chicken poppers. Actually, they're made with pork sausage. Jalapeno, pork sausage, sour cream, cheese, and I think that's it. I might be forgetting something. I'll try to link that down below. It was really good. But again, it's really going good. Keeping up with those daily vitamins, keeping up, making sure I'm eating enough. Still struggling a little bit with that fat number, getting that fat number high enough and keeping that protein number down a little bit. I have been on Reddit talking with some other people. I suggest going on there. There's a good community on there if you want to ask questions, read other people's questions. You can find a lot of good answers. But I was having a discussion about the protein part, and a lot of people still will say certain things about protein doesn't matter. There was a doctor, I forget his name, I'll try to link that too, that actually did some type of test and did blood test that proves that too much protein will kick you out of ketosis, but just temporarily. You're going to go back into it. So it is raining pretty good though. I'll try to link some other items in the description. Let me know how you guys are doing. Post comments, show me your videos, post your own videos, leave links to it down below so other people will see it. It's all about community and accountability. That's why I'm doing this, and so far it's working great. So thanks guys, me posting this, people are watching, thank you very much. It's keeping me going. So I'm going to cut this a little bit short today. If it even is short, I think I've talked a little bit too much probably already, but this rain keeps coming down and it is pretty loud. So don't forget to like this. Dislike if you don't like it. Subscribe, share it out. I don't mind sharing it out. I would love to get more people involved in this. So hit that share button. Put it on Facebook. Put it on Twitter. Put it on Reddit. Put it wherever you want. Share with your family, friends. I really want to make this about more than me. I want to make it about everyone watching because that's what this is about. So like, subscribe, share. We're all good. Until next time, have a good one.
Started to go wrong, but the sea is way too deep. Yeah, it's deep.